Hello and welcome, Stock Tech Info. Hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, detailing about how can you help someone else. Declutter 7 great tips. So before we start my video, please subscribe my channel. How can you help someone else? Declutter 7 great tips. You are decluttering ninja. Your house is spotless and your desk at work is Prentice. In fact, you are such a fan of the life-changing magic, the amazing benefits of decluttering that you want to share it with everyone. But does the everyone you are trying to share your excitement with agree? Is your husband on board? Your kid, your parents, your co-workers, maybe they are, but more often than not, they are resistant to the ideas of letting go of the things that are precious and important to them, and their resistance lead to your frustration. Trust me, I get it. Will not have to full block design to help you declutter your home and embrace and minimalist life cycle. It was not just an excited about as you, so you ask how can you help someone else declutters? How can you break thoughts their resistance and change their life in the magical way? Want to let's troubleshoot that together. The question that started a blog that bring questions how you help someone else declutter is something I have asked myself many times. At first, it's it seems easy. I would just go to my parents' house and tell them what to get rid for and then disappears it for them. Well, that did not work and I could not throw stuff away at my cleaning jobs either. I realized that the decluttering is a deeply personal process and all you can do is help someone see the need and support them when they are ready. That's actually why I started this blog. So get the info out. Therefore, choose who are ready to support people like you are in your journey. But I know that's not the answer you want to hear. I know that you can't want to declutters for your husbands, children, parents, and co-workers. And the hard truth is this: you can't declutters for anyone else. All you can do is support them. That being said, I am going to share the most effective way I found to support someone as the declutters. How can you help someone declutter by following the steps that follows? How can you help someone declutter that aren't ready? So, as we established, most of the time people aren't ready to declutter when you ready to tell them the need to. So how can you help someone declutter when they aren't ready? How can you how can you help them get to the point where they want to declutter? Share what help you declutter. First of all things about what made you want to declutter. For me, it was a combination of living in a tiny 300 square foot studio department and ready the life changing magical of tearing up the Maori condo. I was totally inspired. I decluttered like crazy, and then I passed the book down to my mom, and well, miracles did not happen, but I planned it to a tiny speed. Maybe you can share your favorite decluttering book or this blog. This is someone else. Maybe you can find an article that this will help them with their biggest decluttering obstacles. Do they have a hard time decluttering books? Are they overwhelmed with paper cutter? Are they drawing in the sentimental items or living the past? Do they constantly tell you their home is too small and they don't have enough space? Share an article that hit their pain points. If you know that won't read it, share the point with them verbally. Make it look good. Next, it's they live with you, or if they can visit your home, or even if they can see your workspace, make it look good to leave a declutter, live declutter in front of them. Talk about what you are getting rid of and why little way on a regular basis. We like to be liked the people we are around, so it's likely that at least some of your thinking will rub off on them. Get a little bit sneaky. The next things you can do to help someone else declutters is sneaky. You can organize for them. Is on daily work is a certain situation where you common space. For example, if you want to get rid for some toys is your home, but your husband is attached to them, put them away in a box for a while and see if the event notice if the one does not might as well get rid of them. They does ask, you can just tell them where they are. If you are sharing a feeling an office environment, put the whole files. Co-workers can lead go of a separate space, a different drawers, and ask for them telling their spaces and keep the species and making the environments more dusty flies. What not there good else declarators. Patient focus what you control for stuff and not theirs. You can help someone declutter when they are ready. Nowadays you know how to help someone declutters when they aren't ready to declutter. It may seem like it will be the priest to help someone who is ready to declutters, not necessarily. There's a big difference between waiting to declutters and actually wanting to being able to do the work. Over the years I have to know a lots of people who want to declutters but never seem to get it done. Maybe that gets overwhelmed by all the decisions making. They don't feel like have times, or they have mental and physical health issues that make it hard to find energy or decluttering. So how can you help declutters when they're ready to put aren't getting it done? The following tips should help them physically and mentally do the job. The first thing the job is to help offers and write orders to lots. Learn to how to help someone else declutters like pro. I hope this article has helped you come up with ideas how to help someone else declutter. It may not work as quickly as you want it, but I promise change will come. It took time, but eventually my husband became almost as good at decluttering as I am. Even my mom and dad lets go of tons of stuff and keep things are simple than before. With the patient love and some sneaky planning, you can help other declutter. If you declutter in the right other, you may even help someone else declutter like a pro. You can also help them overcome all their fear of letting go when you give them your support on their journey. To learn more tips for decluttering without fear and excuses, pick up your Fearless Decluttering ebook. Share it with your friends and family too. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and take care. Bye.